Hello everyone, welcome back to Family Rovers. In today's episode, it's gonna be a short one. It's basically me rambling a couple of minutes and talking about a major service and repairs I did on my motorhome, on my FIAT Rimor motorhome. We're gonna talk about what I changed and what was fixed, and then I'm also gonna talk a bit about pricing here in Serbia. So first of all, let's begin where I did the repairs. So I found an official service. I mean, I don't know if you can call it official here in Serbia, but it's basically an official service for Fiat vehicles, and it was located in a town called Veliko Gradište here in Serbia. That's where my dad has his vacation house, so it's close by, and I did go over for the weekend, so Friday and Saturday, to get everything done on the motorhome and also have some fun. So yeah, that's the service. We called them and asked them how much it's gonna cost. They gave us a quote. I'm gonna reveal that at the end of the video, and I would like you to drop in the comments if you think that's a lot of money or not a lot of money for the amount of work that I ended up doing. Okay, let's talk about what was done on the vehicle. So basically, since I bought it for a couple months, I noticed that the clutch of the vehicle is not in the best shape. So when I press the clutch pedal, it seems like it's really high. So for that reason, I had it checked, and indeed it was time to change the clutch. So that was the first job that was done on the motorhome. I had to do a complete clutch change. I'm not sure how all the parts are called, but basically it's changing the whole clutch. And that was the first job that was done. The second job that I did on the motorhome was actually servicing the motorhome. I don't have a really great service book and service history, so I had to do it, and basically I did a complete service. Small service, which includes changing the oil and filters and all that small stuff. But I also did the big service. So it's basically the timing belt, the water pump, and everything that comes with the big service. That was also done on the vehicle. They also inspected the rest of the motorhome, and from what they say, the vehicle is in really good condition. They did say that the kilometers that the vehicle is showing on the screen are a bit off from what they expect the vehicle has passed. So right now on the kilometers I have 102,000, which, to be honest, for a 2008 model, it did sound, even for a motorhome, it did sound a bit low. And the guy working there told me that potentially it's not much more, so it's not like the motorhome went and did, I don't know, 500,000 kilometers or something, but potentially the real value of how much the motorhome passed is around double what it has right now, so around 200,000 kilometers, which honestly I was expecting. When you buy a motorhome that was imported from Italy, in Sweden, and the whole history was kind of lost in between, you do expect to see somebody turning time a bit backwards and turning the kilometers backwards. So all in all, I mean, I'm really happy. The whole mechanical part was inspected. The motorhome is, they say it's in really good shape, so it's ready to take the big journey. And right now I'm driving back home, and I'm really happy with the whole process. The mechanic, I met the guy who did the service. He seemed really nice. They seemed really professional. So honestly, I have a pretty good experience. I don't have any remarks on the actual smoothness of the operation. So all in all, I'm really happy, and promise I'm gonna tell you how much it did cost. And hear me out, I don't know exactly all the parts and pieces and how much the clutch costs, how much the service costs, because I just got a quote, and here in Serbia, to be honest, even in an official Fiat service, if you wanna come by a bit cheaper, you don't ask too many questions. And I do feel the price was good. You're gonna tell me. Drop what you think in the comment. And yeah, by the way, if you watch the channel, you like the videos I make, you want to see many more journeys and adventures, consider subscribing, guys. It means tons to me. Okay, the big moment is here. How much did it cost me? We already talked about it. Whole clutch, so everything was changed as far as clutch goes, and small service done, big service done, oil changes, everything, filters, water pumps, timing belts, all that was, at the end, I paid 950 euros. In US dollars, that would be around 1,100 US dollars. So if you're watching from the USA, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be shocked right now, because I am expecting, guys, to be much more expensive. Also, if you're watching from UK and I don't know, Australia, other English-speaking countries, I'm also expecting that the costs there are much higher. So please do let me know down in the comments, what do you think about the price? Is 1,000 euros too much? Is it extremely low? Do you feel like nothing was changed? Because I can tell you that it was. I mean, I did saw the old parts, so they did a good job. And I mean, the clutch feels extremely different. It's very smooth now. So let me know, guys. Until the next episode, I'm gonna say bye to you all. Keep watching and see you on the next one.